Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly. So I just want to do a quick update on Pi. So if you are logging into your Pi network app and you are seeing this for you to confirm your migration, well, it's actually very safe for you to do so. So all you just need to do is to go ahead to confirm if you still have your passphrase and everything intact. Otherwise, if you don't have your passphrase intact and your Pi has not been migrated, I'll take it again. If your Pi has not been migrated and you don't have your passphrase for you to your passphrase of your Pi wallet that you created, you can go ahead and change wallets. Okay, you can go ahead and change wallets. But if you have your passphrase, okay, and you can just simply go ahead and confirm this, click on it and then follow the prompts, okay, like I will do right now. So as you can see, this is where you need to put in your passphrase, okay, your 24 passphrase, those words, put it in there. All right, so I'm going to be pasting mine right now. So as you can see, I've gone to copy my passphrase. So I will simply click. You can see the option for me to paste paste my passphrase there. So I'll just simply paste it. Definitely, I'm not going to be showing it in this video. And once that is done, you will click on. Once that is done, you will click on unlock with passphrase. Okay. So now an email confirmation has been sent to my email address. So I will, according to what is written here, say click the link in the email to complete the wallet verification. So I'll simply go to my email and then click on the link sent to me. So as you can see, it says verification successful. So when I got to my email, I just click on verify your migration wallet. That's what I click on. So that's what you will see in your email. So in a nutshell, that is how to verify your Pi wallet. Okay. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to register and start mining Delta. All the information will be there, and the video will be coming very shortly, so you make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't, and then you make sure you click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when the video drops. All right, so make sure you share this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't. Guys, share and subscribe, like this video. If you have any question or comments, you can mention it in the comment section below and I'm going to reply you. All right, and then you can also join us in our WhatsApp and Telegram group. The links will be at the description section below this video. This is the Easy Earners Club.